Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can create your child's account in Apple ID. So to do that, first of all, you need to be in the app library, and after that, just go ahead and open settings. Once you're there, just tap on your name and you can see this option, family sharing. Right below, find mine. Open it, and now you can see this option over here, and you can see the last option that says create child account. Once you tap on it, you'll be able to create your child's account. Just agree and continue. Write your child's name, your child's last name, their date of birth, and you have to verify that you are an adult. And after that, you'll be able to create your child's account. If you found this video helpful, leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.